Welcome to Viet Journey, where we explore the green beauty of Vietnam together and spread our love for nature. Welcome to the Mekong Delta Tour, a journey to explore the unique river culture and lifestyle of southern Vietnam, brought to you by Viet Journey. The Mekong Delta is not only charming with its network of winding waterways, but it also captivates visitors with its rich and authentic local culture. On this tour, you will experience the region in a genuine, intimate, and emotional way. Explore traditional handicraft villages. Visitors will stop by coconut candy workshops, mat weaving villages, and even take part in the production process themselves. This is a wonderful opportunity to appreciate the skill and dedication of the local people. Taste authentic Mekong cuisine. Enjoy a traditional lunch made from fresh local ingredients such as caramelized fish in clay pot, sour soup, Vietnamese pancakes, and more, a truly unforgettable flavor of the river region. Participate in cultural activities. From weaving, baking local cakes, to crafting handmade souvenirs, each activity offers not only fun, but also a deeper understanding of local customs and daily life. Boat trip on the Tiền River. Relax on a peaceful boat ride, observe riverside life, hear the gentle sound of paddling, and immerse yourself in the calm and slow-paced rhythm of the Mekong countryside. Visit lush fruit orchards, walk through green orchards, learn about farming techniques, and pick fresh fruits to enjoy right from the tree, sweet, natural, and full of flavor. With Viet Journey, the Mekong Delta is not just a tour, but it is a journey of connection with culture, people, and the simple yet unforgettable rhythm of life in Vietnam. Thank you for joining Viet Journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next green adventures.